Good morning, everybody, from Brooksville, Florida. It is about 6:22 a.m. on May 31st, and we're heading up to Kellogg's to pick up a load that's already preloaded, so it's all ready to go, and it needs to go to Hattiesburg, Mississippi by tomorrow. So I'll get there by the morning. And it was a change of plans, so when I brought the load back on Saturday, it was supposed to be delivered at 5 o'clock. And I was about a couple hours from Sam's Club in Lakeland, and I got a call. Probably said this already, but there's more to it. So I got a call from my dispatcher saying they canceled the delivery for Saturday. Don't know why, but they canceled it. And they rescheduled it for June 1st. So that's what he had me on. But I was scheduled also to pick up a load yesterday on Memorial Day. So happy Memorial Day, everybody. And somehow that got canceled too. And I don't know. I probably know the reason why to a certain point. Probably because they're short on workers, or they thought they'd be short on workers, because usually you have an appointment time that the trailer be loaded by, let's say 10 a.m. This one had like all day. It just said from like 1 minute past midnight to midnight. So basically a 24-hour period. So I told my dispatcher, so that's kind of weird. I've never seen that before. And he said look into it. And looking into it basically came back that the load's not going to be done for whatever reason. So I talked to him yesterday, and I said, look, I need a load because I want to get the miles in, because I need to be off this weekend upcoming. It's my son's 18th birthday. So he put me on a load that was going to be ready today, I think by 2 o'clock, gone to Brookhaven, Mississippi. And then within like 5 minutes, he says, oh, I found a load that's actually already ready going to Hattiesburg. So that's what I'm doing. So it's about 700 and, well, total, let's see, it's like 459 miles up to Kellogg's. It's really a little bit more. We get paid based off of kind of from point A to point B. Most truck companies do that nowadays. You don't get paid the actual mileage. So if you need more information on that, you can write me in the comments and I can go over that. So let's just say I'm going to drive like 477 miles today up to Kellogg's, and then let me rephrase that. No, actually it is 728 miles to Hattiesburg. That's right, I forgot I'm going to Hattiesburg. So basically today I'll do 477 miles, and then tomorrow I'll do the rest, and I'll have it delivered in the morning. And then I'll head back to Kellogg's in Noonan, Georgia, and then I'll pick up a load going probably back to Lakeland, delivering Thursday or Friday, because I can actually get back to Lakeland by Thursday. So today's Tuesday, so I can actually get back by Thursday. Just all depends on what the delivery time is. If they need it early Thursday, I won't be able to make it, because I won't get back to Kellogg's until late Wednesday, or just shy of Noonan, and then drive the rest of the way in. So take me to do an afternoon delivery, or it'll give me one that I can deliver me Friday morning early, so that way I'll come back in Thursday and I'll just go out, have it delivered on Friday, and then be done, because I got to be home for Saturday and Sunday. So in any case, not to bore y'all, but I just wanted to let you know what's going on. And it's just a beautiful morning so far. I don't think I'm going to run into any kind of weather today, so it's just going to be a nice day. So I just thought I'd film the sunrise here. Was a little foggy in some spots this morning on the way up, but it looks pretty clear here. And I did a night video, and something happened to part of the video. Or actually the audio, I think. So I didn't put it through. So, but then I don't like doing too many night videos, because there's not much to see. The only time I really do any kind of night clips or videos is when, something's going on the road, construction or an accident or something going on. So, but in any case, folks, hope you all had a good, safe holiday weekend, and I'll continue to film as I go up to Noonan and of course to Hattiesburg, and we'll go from there. So have a good day from out, folks. Talk to you soon. All right, it's about 10:30 now. We're heading up to Noonan, Georgia. Sorry, I've been not much to film here. Just kind of film the beautiful day outside. It's gotten foggy at some points, but now it's pretty clear. So we're going to stop up here and get some fuel, do my 30-minute break. See, in the past, I guess it was about a year ago, maybe a little more than a year ago, they changed the rules. Before, you couldn't get your fuel during your off-duty time for your 30-minute break, and they changed that. They now allow it. They allow you to do your 30-minute break and do your fueling at the same time, because really, technically, you are supposed to be on duty when you fuel. So that's where now they're letting you do fueling during your off-duty time for your break. It used to kind of stink before, because you would hit on duty, maybe it takes 13, 15 minutes or something like that to fuel, and then you still to do your 30-minute break. So it basically took away from your total time if you had to be somewhere, let's say at a certain time. It just kind of messed things up. So now what I do is I go into fuel, and I like going to the Cordell-Loves here, or Cordeal, I don't know how you say it, but because you can fuel, and then it's, I'd say, geez, almost every one of them, you only have one spot to actually pull up out of the fuel island and go and use the bathroom, whatever you want, while the next guy starts fueling. Here it's nice. They actually have two spots. You can actually pull up twice. So they have two basically places after the fuel lane. So if you want, you can pull all the way up into the third spot, or second spot, and then you can do your 30-minute break, and anybody behind you that they can get around you. So it's kind of nice. They have the extra length of distance from their fuel pumps. You can just park all the way up, and do you finish up your 30-minute break, or do your whole 30-minute break right there in the basically the fuel island. So it's kind of nice. So you'll see that when I pull in, you'll see how much distance there is from the fuel pump to the very outer edge. So I hope my camera's in the right spot. Looks like it is. I just kind of threw it in this morning when it was dark, because I got to the yard about 4:45, I guess it was, and I just kind of hooked it up to the windshield mount, and just looking through the viewfinder, it looks like it's in a pretty good spot. So, but anyways, again, hope everybody's having a good day, and if it's your first time viewing this channel, I would appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button in the bottom right corner. Also, send me any comments of things you want to see, talk about, whatever. What you like about the video, what you don't like about the video. This is my new audio system that I just hooked up last week. So this is about the third video now. I was having so many issues with a wired mic getting caught in my steering wheel. I even tried a wireless mic system. That didn't work out too well. I never even posted a video of the wireless mic system, because it worked off a UHF, and somehow I was always getting just constant, like, kind of weird, almost sounded like I was underwater, put it that way. I mean, it was nice because I had the clip on my shirt and everything, but it just, the recordings didn't come out right. So long and short of it, I came across this app. It's called a Mic app, MYK app, and it works with my GoPro, so that's why I can use my wireless headset, and it works together, so it works out pretty good. So and let me know what you guys think. I've had a few responses on they said it was sounded really good. So anyway, when I do my editing, it's a little more work, but you know what? If it's about the clarity of the video and the way of the quality of the video and the audio, then I'll take the extra time to do it. Because without that, I wouldn't have any subscribers. Let's see what's going on here. Looks like they're all filled up except for this guy here. I wonder if I can squeeze in there. Probably can. what this guy's doing here. Guess she's getting trash. I'll wait for him. Okay. He let me come up here. And you can see how far ahead there is place to park, so you can see that. So in any case, folks, I'll be back after my break, and we'll go from there. See you soon, folks. Caught up in some traffic here. I'm not sure if it's an accident or road work or what, but I don't see any police vehicles. But now I see a fire truck. So it's held me up for like 10 minutes here, just kind of going slow through here, so I'm not sure what happened here. Fire truck's kind of blocking it. Ooh, car fire. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's weird. The car's in the other direction too. It's kind of weird. It's kind of facing the other direction. So I don't know what happened, but in any case, car fire. That's it, folks. All right, so we're here at Kellogg's picking up our preloaded trailer. So I'm gonna put this in the back. And put in spot 514 if it's available. And it says my load is in spot 85, which I see right there, 85812. And it says 4 good tires on it. That's good. Well, at least there's air in them. They're not flat. It says my battery power is down to, well, it was 9%. Now it's 11%. I plugged it into a different USB port. So the other one must have been draining the battery, not charging it. So it's now charging. They should have made this wider here. They also should have put a mirror up so you can see if anybody's come around a corner. That 514 is all the way down the end. But I'll be honest with you, that's a long way to go to put it in a spot. Especially if it's filled. It's got something in it. But we'll check first. It's a big facility. It's 1 million square feet. I wonder, never counted them, but they probably have roughly, let's see, they got 500 spots. That means half of them are against the building, the other half are on the side. So I'd probably say they got 200 doors, because some of these doors, or some of these spots don't have doors, but I think 85 to 90% do have doors. So let's see if anybody's down here in 514. Nope. So I'll put it in 514. Swing it around here. I got low battery, so what I'll do is probably going to shut her down here as soon as I back her in. I'm going to change out the batteries. Even though it's being charged up, I think it's burning more than it's being charged. So maybe we'll get the back end in. Then I got to change batteries. really close to that curb. So I gotta be there to get this thing in. There we go. Straighten her out here for a second. Alright, so I'm going to disconnect real quick so I can change the battery out. So I'll see you guys just in a minute. Alright, well I went to change the battery and it said all of a sudden I had 92% battery power. And so I didn't change it. So now that I'm driving again, it says battery power is 6%. So I don't know what I got. I don't know if I got 6%. I don't know if I got 90%. I don't know what I got. So I thought I'd just let you guys know why I didn't film coming out of Kellogg's there. So we're now on 85, heading south. It says we'll be, well, it says it takes about 6.5 hours to get there, but we're not going to get there today because I drove from Lakeland. So we're going to stop at a Love's in Hope Hall, Alabama. That's where I usually stop when I take this because it gives about a half-hour leeway of if anything happens between now and then. I got 2 hours and 43 minutes on my clock. It says it takes about 2 hours and 9 minutes to get there, so it'll give me enough time to get there and park for the night. So that's where I'll park, and I'll deliver this in the morning and start heading back to Noonan. So just like always, in case anything happens on the way, I'll film it. If not, maybe I'll do a quick shot of going into Love's. And then I wasn't in my truck all weekend, so I didn't get a chance to look for that hat strap, but I definitely am as soon as I park. I'm going to look for that. So maybe continue on with the video, and you'll see tomorrow me doing some video on the hat strap cam. I don't know what else you call it. It's a strap that goes around your head. It's kind of weird looking, but at least it films from my point of view. So look for that, and I'll talk to y'all soon. So take care for now, folks.